Hi everyone and welcome to my channel. Today I'm just going to relax in the kitchen and prepare one of my favourite Asian cuisines, rice paper rolls with dipping sauce. For this you will need 1 cup of water. Add up to 2 tablespoons of vegan fish sauce. This is a very unique ingredient that is salty and has a strong fermented smell to it, but goes very well with garlic. So if it's your first time using it, add 1 spoon first, then increase it according to your taste. Then add 1 to 2 cloves of grated garlic. Garlic and fish sauce are very strong and potent ingredients that complement each other very well, providing a unique aroma to most dips and dishes. Now I'm going to grate 1 red chilli for a bit of heat and colour. I do prefer to finely grate these ingredients rather than chopping them up into little pieces because they do blend a lot better. And now I will add a piece of finely grated carrot for some natural sweetness and texture to the dip. I just love taking my time preparing this dish. The different ingredients are so vibrant in colour and beautiful to look at. The textures, fragrance and tastes are refreshing and invigorating. It's truly therapeutic. And now I will chop up some mint leaves to really uplift and add more freshness to the dip. The best thing about this recipe is that it's mainly using natural, raw produce. This means that most of the nutrients are alive and kicking, providing the full health benefits to the body. Here I'm adding 1 tablespoon of sweet chili sauce instead of sugar, with a drizzle of toasted sesame oil for a lovely roast, nutty aroma to soften up the strong smell of the fish sauce and garlic. And now for my favourite part of all, squeezing the juice out of a fresh lime. This is such a stress reliever. And its zesty, zingy fragrance is really uplifting and refreshing. This dip is so delicious, zesty and sharp with sweetness from the carrot and sweet chili sauce, heat from the chili and nutty aroma from the sesame oil. Absolutely tantalising. This is the famous tofu to add a bit of depth to the rice paper rolls. First, cut the tofu into 1 centimeter slices. There will be a lot of liquid seeping out from the tofu, so you can use a paper towel to pat it dry. I'm now going to cut the tofu slices into 1 centimeter patterns. Transfer the tofu pieces into another plate or bowl. For the tofu marinade, use 3 tablespoons of sweet chili sauce. And 3 tablespoons of dark soy sauce. Coat the tofu thoroughly and let it marinate for about 15 minutes. Add 2 tablespoons of toasted sesame oil to a hot pan. Shallow fry the tofu pieces for 1 minute on both sides. Take them off the heat and let them cool down slightly before adding them to the rice paper. Soak the vermicelli noodles in hot water for 10 minutes. Fresh chive cutting will help the plant grow much healthier and add flavour, fragrance and freshness to my dishes. For the rice paper filling, I'm using strips of half a cucumber, 1 carrot, some mint leaves and chives, vermicelli noodles, and tofu chips. Soak the rice paper in some warm water for a couple of seconds, then place on a clean surface. Within seconds of soaking in warm water, the rice paper will become translucent, stretchy, and sticky. This part is really fun, adding the fillings one by one, assembling them neatly on one side of the rice paper, ready to roll. This is the tricky part, so I'm using my chopstick to help lift the sides up. Here we are, the perfect rice paper roll. Yes, I've done it. Rub a drop of sesame oil onto the rice paper rolls to prevent them from sticking to the plate. Delicious. I hope you've enjoyed watching this video as much as I've enjoyed making it. Please remember to like and subscribe.